Hello, it's Rafat back again, this time on how to use an ATM. Before going far, I would really appreciate you subscribing and liking. Let's get started. So are you ready to learn how to use an ATM? It's really a great skill to have and can save you a lot of time and energy. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use an ATM machine. The first step to using an ATM machine is going to 1. Look for an ATM machine that is in a well-lit and not so busy area. It's usually best to use an ATM that is attached to a bank, but you can as well use any as they are all well secured. Next, insert in your card. Once you've got to an ATM machine, insert your debit or credit card into the card slot. Make sure that the chip strip is facing upwards and towards the machine. Next, enter your PIN number. Once you've inserted your card, the ATM machine will prompt you to enter your PIN number. Your PIN number is a 4-digit number that you chose when you first received your card. Make sure that you enter your PIN correctly, as you'll be locked out of your account if you enter it incorrectly more than 3 times. To protect your privacy and prevent anyone from seeing your PIN, cover the keypad with your hand or another object while entering the numbers. After entering your PIN, the ATM will give you a few different options. You can withdraw cash, check your account balance, or transfer money between accounts. Choose the transaction you want to complete by pressing the corresponding button. Next, enter the amount. If you're withdrawing cash, you'll need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Also, make sure you have enough money in your account to cover the withdrawal, as you may be charged an overdraft fee if you withdraw more than you have. Next, wait a moment for your cash. After you enter the amount, the ATM will dispense your cash. Make sure you take your cash and your card before walking away from the machine. Don't forget to take your cash and card. You may then choose another transaction or end the session. If you want to complete another transaction, the ATM will give you the option to choose another transaction. If you're finished, choose the next transaction. Choose the option to end your session. Also, don't forget to take your receipt. After you've completed your transaction, the ATM machine will offer you a receipt. It's better to take it as it will show you how much money you withdrew and your account balance. That's it, you're good to go. Using an ATM is easy and convenient. Just remember to always be careful and watch your surroundings when using one, as we'll never share your PIN number with anyone. Thanks for watching. Hope now you know how to use an ATM machine.